Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix infinite loading screen in Apex Legends. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to go to a browser and you just need to write server status Apex Legends, right? And then you need to look if, as you can see here, if the servers is fully running on your region or not. And if it's running and there is no issues here, then you can proceed with steps. So the first step, you need to open up your PC, your disk, and if you're running external drives, you just need to eject them here. Right click on it, and then you just need to, as you can see here, should be here on the system tray. Basically you can eject a external drive, or you can manually to basically disable from your computer, because sometimes it can cause the problem here, right? And after that, the next step we need to do here is to go to your local disk and where you got the game. For me, is program files, and then EA Games, Apex, and then you should find R5 Apex here. So what you need to do here is to right click on it, then you need to go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. And then apply, and you need to look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then just delete the R5 Apex.exe file and then verify integrity of the game files. On the Steam, it's quite similar. You need to go to library, then you need to find Apex, properties, and then you need to press browse and open up R5 Apex and do the same. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.